Hello guys, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, October the 6th, 2021, and I've told you we have here 3 regular Sudokus. The first one I've solved, the binary, then I will do the medium Sudoku, and then the killer Sudoku. And in this newspaper there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. 6 I believe, but I won't do them all. Only 3 of them I will solve. So today, again, it's too much for me. A lot of puzzles to solve. So this one, the second regular Sudoku, it will be number 3497. Alright, before I start, I always count on printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, and if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. For 4 stars, if it's really a 4 stars, 30 minutes or more. Alright, so let's get started. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright, now we have a pair, 7 and 8 in this column, 7 and 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 7 and 8, 7 and 8, alright. How about, let me see. Yeah. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. 4 in the last row. 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column. 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, we see there 4, so no 4s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. Alright. Alright. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 2. Alright. Then. How about the number? The number. Let me see. Which number can I pick? 5555. Yeah. Let me think. How about I'm thinking. Don't think too much. Don't think too long. 9. 9. Yeah. 3. 8 2 4. No. 2 4. 6. Yeah, it's taking too long. Come on. What's happening? Let me put some numbers. Yeah. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in this box. There are 6, no 6 in those two boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes in this row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places for the 6. Could be here, could be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright, now, okay. I think here should be the 6, yes. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 6. Could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 6 there, double 6 here in this column. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. So the 6 could be in one of those 3 boxes. Here cannot be a 6. So here we have a 6, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here, could be there. But I believe if I place the 6 there, I need a 6 in one of those 4 boxes in this row. Here cannot be a 6. We have a 6 there, so it must be in one of those 3. But I cannot place here because we have here 4 6s. So it must be here for this row. I need a 6. Okay, complicated, but I have a 6 here. Okay, 3 missing numbers in this row. 1 2, the 3 is missing. 4 and the 5 is missing. 6 7 8 and the 9 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in that row. So the row between, only 2 places for the 9. Could be here, could be there. Okay. 1 2 3 4. Missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, only place for the 5. Should be there. Now we have 2 numbers left in this row. 1 2. The 3 is missing. 3 and a 9. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in the first column. The 1 is missing, 2. and a 3 is missing. 1 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and the 3. How about those 2 boxes? Also 1 and the 3. Okay, in this big square. Then. 3, 3. Okay, so we have now 3 missing numbers. The 1, the 5 is missing, and 7 is missing. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have 3 and a 9. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7. 1 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 6. This box cannot be a 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright. So now, 3 and a 9, okay. 2 numbers left in this column. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this big square for the number 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay, so we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 1 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. 9, 9. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 8. Okay. How about the number? Yeah, which number can I pick? Okay, 8, 8, 2. 9, 9. How about the 6, the 7, 7, 7. Okay. 1, 1. 7, 7, and the 8, 8, 8. No. So we have a pair here, 7 and 8 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 1, 7, 8. 1, 7, 8. Look, we have a 1 there, so no 1 in this box. The 1 could be here, could be there. The 7 and the 8 is left. So now we have a pair, 7 and 8. The other 3 numbers are the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, the 5 is missing. 5 is missing in this row. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be there. So the 3 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Ah, we have a pair here. Again, we have a pair. Here should be also 3 and a 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 6, the 8 should be here. Yeah, we have 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places for the 8. Could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8. 1, 7, 8. 1, 7, 8. Okay. How about these 3? 1, 7, 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. You see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. Okay. 2 numbers, no, yeah, 2 numbers left in the last column. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and an 8 is missing. 1 and an 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this box can't be 8 anymore. This box should be a 7. And here, now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be an 8. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Okay. 2 numbers left in the last row. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 3 and a 6. Okay. So we have a 3 and a 6 here in this big square. So no other places can be a 3, but I see in this column 3 and a 9. So here cannot be a 3 anymore. So this should be a 9, and that box should be a 3. Okay. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7. 1 and a 7. Let me mark those. Well, we have a 9 here, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. This box should be a 1. Now we have 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 7. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 9. 1 box left in this row, the 3rd row for the number 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 6. Woo! I've marked those 2 boxes with the 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can't be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Yeah, definitely 2 stars, because I've told you I need 15 to 20 minutes, and I've solved this in 18 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the 3rd regular Sudoku, a killer Sudoku. Yeah, with only two given numbers. See you then. Bye bye for now.